Hey, this video is going to explain, review, and share with you how to use the hidden fields. Hidden fields are an option for your widget to have information on the lead, but that is not visible for the user. So, for example, this is the form. We have these fields, no name, family name, number, zip code, email, and then here we can have, for example, something like this, like a label that is called type, is hidden, and it's called WhatsApp. Like this lead belongs to the WhatsApp channel. That's information we send to the CRM, for example, or you send to the webhook, or you send to your Google Sheet, or you send to your anything. The hidden fields is an option you have in the form, and you can put any element in the hidden field that this will be fixed. But if you want to add some variables, you can use these codes to add something like, for example, the URL source, gclead, fbclead, UTM, country, price. You can take variables from the lead, and you can send those variables as a hidden element to your system, CRM, etc. So is in the form, choose hidden. That's it. And you can input a fixed variable or something from these elements. Okay, hope it's clear. It's very easy. Thank you. Bye bye.